The spells that they put us under, we put ourselves. They just manipulated us into putting spells on ourselves. They don't have no power. We hold the power. You have to know that. You have to honor that God in you. You are a God. God is you. You are a creator. You have to honor that. See, that was disrespectful. It taught us to disrespect our damn self. Much gratitude, namaste, namaste. They taught us to disrespect our damn self. That's like a slap in the face. See what I'm saying? But they have no power. You have the power. We are rising and they're terrified. That's why they doing all this shit, putting all this shit in the media. That's why I say they coming with these fear tactics. That's what they do. They know. Why you think they use fear so much? They try to scare you. Because fear disconnects you from your spiritual discernment. You are easy to control. That makes you easy to control. That's why I say don't even mind them, because it's all a game. See what I'm saying? This shit is nothing but a game. So you think your opponent's gonna give you the codes, the cheat codes to defeat him? No, I don't think so. That's why I say it's hard for religious people to fathom that. They're not gonna give you the cheat codes. You gotta see that. You gotta see straight through the lies. That's why shit, the vibrations is rising. The planet is rising. We are going back to the love frequency. We are rising in unity. It's about unity. That's why they tried so hard to separate us, and they worked for a minute, but we coming up out of this shit. We coming up out of this shit. More and more people waking up every day. See what I'm saying? You know that they don't want the truth out, but they can't stop the truth. Like at this point, like a lot of religious people, shit, they willingly being slaves, basically. See what I'm saying? At this point, because the truth is up. Everything you gotta face the good, the bad, and the ugly in order for you to become balanced. See, a lot of people sweep things under the rug because they're afraid to face things for what they are, other than doing the work and rising up and raising their frequency. They're waiting on something outside of themselves to come save them. No, we are our own savior. Ashe, shadow work, Ashe. Big facts. Shadow work. Man, you gotta face that. Because the beast is within you. You gotta conquer that beast in order to be in control. See what I'm saying? You gotta conquer that beast. This is yin and yang. Yin and yang. See what I'm saying? It's about balance. And a lot of people be afraid of that dark side of them. They want to only tend to the bright side, basically. When we are everything and everything is us. Gotta tend to that darkness. You gotta face that shit. You gotta face that fear. That's the only way that you can grow and evolve. You gotta face it. Peace, family. Gratitude for y'all tuning in. Gratitude. Ashe. That's what makes us great. That's what makes us great. The darkness. See what I'm saying? That beast is within you. And that's what they are terrified of. See what I'm saying? That feminine energy, that chaos energy, it's within. See, they taught us to just take ass whoopings all day. No, we ain't going for that shit. Their time is up. That's the only way that you will be able to free yourself. Ashe. That's the only way that you will be able to free yourself. You gotta remember that you are everything and everything is you. There is nothing to be afraid of. See what I'm saying? Heaven and hell is a state of mind. That's why a lot of people stuck on a low vibrational frequency, and that's all they know. They're unaware of how to raise their vibrations. They're unaware of that because they're looking outside of themselves for answers. You got to go within and build yourself up. You got to face that shit. See what I'm saying? That chaos energy. This is chaos season. A lot of shit you're about to start seeing. You hear me? We already seeing a lot of stuff that's gonna make low vibrational beings go crazy. That's gonna make them go crazy. They're gonna lose their mind. Because remember, we are computers. Remember, we are computers. See what I'm saying? Things that people try to hide, it's coming up. Either way it go, they gotta face it. And that's gonna cause them to go into a hallucinating state. See what I'm saying? If you don't face it on your own, you're gonna be forced to face it. See what I'm saying? So either way it go, you're gonna face it. And that's gonna cause a lot of people to lose their mind. They're already in zombie state. Because if you are not in control of your own mind, you are basically walking dead. You gotta understand that this is the resurrection of Christ. We are the Christ consciousness is resurrecting more and more. See what I'm saying? So those who pretend that they don't see the real and the truth, they basically willingly walking dead. They gave their consent to be walking dead, basically, because they're afraid of everything. Like that disconnects you from your DNA. That disconnects you from your information. We got infinite wisdom in our DNA/DEA. We got infinite wisdom, and that's their main focus is to keep you out of that DNA because it's activating. See what I'm saying? That's what's going on. That's why you got a lot of people speaking this truth.